Welcome to radio-codes.de. This is how you can access your radio code quickly and easily. Either select the shop button above or the lower button request code now. Then choose your suitable radio brand. Now select your radio model. The example photo shows you where the serial number can be found. Enter this in the field provided. Now you can put the product in the shopping cart. If you have a voucher code, you can enter it here. You have the option to order and pay directly via PayPal or to go to the checkout first, where you will find further options. If you already have an account, log in here, otherwise please enter your details in the form. Shipping is free for digital goods. Click Next and choose your payment method. And the next step, accept the terms and conditions and complete the purchase. That's it, you will then receive the code within a few minutes. Please check your spam folder if you have not received anything. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. At the bottom right you will find our chat service. This is the fastest way. You can also contact us using the contact form or reach via WhatsApp. We will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.